Hey guys, this is Christian. I'm back with reviews on this and that. Today I'll be showing you how to properly remove and reinstall or replace your optical DVD-ROM drive or UCD-ROM drive, whatever you want to call it. And basically the official name is the optical drive, to be honest. And today I'm going to be showing you an example of how to do that on your Dell Inspiron laptop. This is model number 1525. Again, this is on the Dell Inspiron 1525. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, I'm assuming that you have already pre-ordered and have in your possession the brand new optical DVD-ROM drive that belongs to this laptop. You want to basically unplug all your peripherals, any cameras, printers, scanners, any mice, any keyboards and whatnot. You also want to shut down the Windows properly and unplug the power cord as well. So let's go ahead and get started. And then you want to flip your laptop upside down. Very first thing you want to do to be safe is always that you want to remove your battery from your unit on any laptop that you work on. When you're getting ready to replace or upgrade any component inside, it's much better that way. This is the battery release button. You want to push that away from the laptop to your right. As you're pushing away, you hold down on that release button and you pull on the battery. Basically slides right out. You're going to put that aside. And basically, if you notice, this is your optical drive right here. You'll notice that there's a screw right over here. Basically, you want to unscrew that. And today what you'll actually need is a small Phillips screwdriver set. And you each need one screwdriver. And what I like to personally use is like a guitar pick, or something like you can use a small sharp knife, or preferably something plastic, not metal. That's what's highly recommended. Okay, and I'm going to show you in a minute here why you would need something like sharp and thin like this, made out of plastic and not metal. Basically, you want to remove this little guy right here, and I'll try to show you guys as quick as possible how to replace your optical drive. It's actually pretty easy. You actually don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this, to be honest. Once you remove the screw, you want to place that in a safe spot. You don't want to lose that, believe me. Okay, and what you want to do, you're basically gonna pry off in a way. You want to push the optical drive away from the laptop that way. So basically, you want to put this in here. You want to do this gently. You do not want to apply too much pressure. You will notice that your optical drive just basically snaps right out. Okay, and this is the top, this is the bottom, and then once you have your new drive, you basically you don't want to put it upside down, put it that way. Okay, basically wouldn't fit big as this piece right here. Okay, you basically want to move this up to the camera. Okay, and you want to basically insert this back in. You want to make sure you want to insert this back all the way in, and you will hear it kind of click back in place. You want to put that screw back on. What I personally use is a cobalt ratcheting screwdriver set, which comes very handy, which is also magnetic. Okay, and we're almost done, guys. And basically you make sure that that screw is put back on, just hand tightened. You don't want to over tighten that, it's not a good idea. And then you want to install the battery back on. Basically, you want to align it with the back of the laptop at an evenly. Then you want to basically push it back in. You will hear it click back in place. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed my video today on how to upgrade your optical drive on your Dell Inspiron model number 1525. And this is Christian, and if you guys want to see any similar videos or like this video, please hit the like button or subscribe and comment. That would definitely be appreciated. I will see you guys next time.